question which I gave it to you. So first and second, that is you have done. Now we'll do with the third question, that is based on Zener diode, right? So in this question, they said that you have to draw the circuit of Zener diode and you have to label all the components. That you'll do, right? And basis on this, then they have given some specification, the values. Let me draw the diagram. This is the supply voltage. This is RS, Zener diode, and the load resistance RL. Okay. So they have given the Zener diode in a regulator circuit has a breakdown voltage of 15 volt. Means VZ is how much? 15 volt, right? And power rating means PZ is equal to 0.5 watt, correct? If the input voltage, applied voltage is 40, means this is 40. So Vs is the supplied voltage, that is 40 volt. What is the minimum value of series resistance? That you need to calculate RS value that prevents the Zener diode from being destroyed, right? So basically you need to calculate the RS value, correct? So you know the formula PZ. PZ is how much? VZ into IZ. PZ is 0.5, VZ is 15, and we need to calculate IZ. So IZ would be 1 by 30 ampere, correct? So you know the formula of RS, that suppose here the current flowing here would be IS. So IS would be equal to VS minus VZ divided by RS. This formula I told you, right? So if I want to calculate RS, then in this case VS is equal to 40, that would be 15, right? If I'll shift it, then RS would we need to calculate, right? Yeah, so IS is equal to IZ in this case. Reason, they are asking the minimum value of resistance, right? They have given one condition, the minimum. Okay, if this is the minimum value of resistance, then current would be here would be maximum, right? So in this case we are considering then that in this case this resistance would be maximum, and if this resistance is maximum, then in that case no current will flow across through the load resistance. So IL would be equal to 0 क्योंकि सारी की सारी current we are considering all are going through the Zener diode because they have given कि minimum value निकालनी है. Okay, so तो जब भी ऐसी कंडीशन आएगी we can consider IL is equal to 0. So as you know the formula IS is equal to IZ plus IL. IS is we need to calculate. IL is 1 by 30. IZ is 1 by 30. IL is 0. So we can substitute it and then we'll get the value of RS is equal to 750 ohm.